And here we have the back gear, which is, as you can see, there is this air filter and the mount for the pipe, and yeah, everything. So now basically this air filter will be dry, so I can show you just how to do it. Yeah, this has this little curve here, and this will be to the engine side, and this straight one will be to the air filter side. So this will just put in like this, and then we can just put the zipper around it like so, and tighten it up well. And then we can cut this with the cutting pliers like so. Now I can just put this air filter in to its place. It's actually quite hard to put the air filter in with the when it's dry. Normally when you have the air filter oil on, it's much easier to put it. Nice. Now that's on. That's basically now all the way in. That's also on. We can put this plate, and for this we need a screw. And we can put this screw in, and we have this secured. Now that's going in, and now it's tight. And as you can see, here is the hole for the body pin, and that needs to be facing up, so you can put the pin like this, not like this. And then we will take the pipe holder, and then we can put this grub screw in and screw this holder here. And this is actually quite nice because we have this small spring here, so it lasts much longer with this holder than with the straight one. So that's super nice. So it's flexing basically a bit. And yeah, then we can put this air filter here like this, and we can put the body clip in like this, and then we will put this mount for the exhaust here. And actually here I would use some Loctite, but I always do it when I have everything mounted, so when I have my exhaust and everything mounted. So basically first you can just leave it without, but remember to put some Loctite in, otherwise it will fall off. But yeah, basically I put everything together, all the pipe and the engine and everything. Then when it's on the right place, then I will take it out and put the Loctite in, so then it's perfect. And yeah, then we can put this these body clips here. That's basically this part done, and then we can take this shock mounting kit. It will be here, and yeah, as you can see here, we will have okay, and now we can just put this in, And to the front I will go with the lowest hole. This, when you go to the lowest hole, it will give a bit more steering into the corner and the car will be diving a bit more, and basically it will give a bit more steering overall. But on a fast corners it can be a bit more nervous with this kind of position with the shock. Yeah, this we need to tighten well so they don't fall off. That's perfectly in there now, and now we do the same to the rear, and here we will put it into the middle hole. And also here I don't want to use the titanium screws because they can bend easily, so that's why I use the normal screws here again. And now we have these bushings, these plastic ones. We put them first, and then we will put the shocks in like so, and then we have these inserts to the arm, which we are going to put in also like that. And like that. Oh, the shock. And then we will have these washers, which goes on top of these shock mounts, and then we'll put this screw nut on top. And then this nut needs to be a bit loose so the shock can move a bit side to side, so it's not binding, and obviously we don't want that to happen. So now that's basically in there, perfect. And then we put this one normal screw on the right side and the left-handed screw to left side. If the screw would be to the wrong like the normal one, if there would be right-handed screw on the left hand, then it will come loose and fall off eventually, so that obviously what you don't want to happen. So then we will just screw this in. And this is actually super good because the other screw is silver and the other one is black, so you don't mess up the thread, because otherwise you could, like when you're doing this with the like electronic screwdriver, you can basically start to just open it to the wrong way, so it will basically just tighten and then you will ruin the thread. So this is super good that they are totally different color. And then we move to the front and we put these bushings on, and then these shocks, and actually these shocks has titanium screws here, and that's looks amazing. Those little details I really like. And then we put these washers in, and then just tighten these nuts, but not over tight, because otherwise it can bind. And this is done also. Then we put this insert to the arm this way, and these inserts will go like this way, this side always inside, so then you won't mess up the measurements and everything. And again, this black screw to the right side and this screw to the left side. Now we just screw them in. So. Yeah, now it's done. Basically the car is ready. We only need the wing to make it ready, and of course the motors and servos, but at this point you will have them, so your car would be ready to rock and roll, I would say.